Hello, welcome to the Olares tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to navigate Olares Desktop. Your desktop has a unique URL tied to your Olares ID. If you accidentally close the browser tab, simply re-enter this address to get right back. On the desktop itself, you'll find the date and time, along with key metrics for your hardware. On the left, you'll see the dock. This quick launch bar holds icons for your most used applications. Let's click the Launchpad icon in the dock. Here are all your installed applications. Just like how you arrange apps on your smartphone, you can do the same thing here. For example, you can press and hold the Olares icon to drag and rearrange its position in the Launchpad. You can also drag an app icon to the dock to pin it for quick access. To uninstall an app, simply press and hold its icon to enter edit mode. A small cross will appear in the upper left corner. Click it to uninstall the app. Please note that you cannot uninstall built-in system applications like files. Click any app icon to open it. Most apps run in a windowed mode, and just like a traditional desktop, you can drag the Windows title bar to move it, drag its edges to resize it. Use the controls in the top right corner to maximize, restore, or close the window. You can also click the Share button to open the app in a new browser tab. To quickly find an app, simply type its name in the search bar at the top of the Launchpad. In addition to the Launchpad search, you can use global search for more powerful results. Open it by clicking the search icon in the dock. For example, let's search for files with the keyword local first. Use the arrow keys to navigate the results. Press enter and you'll be taken directly to the file. And that's all for Olares Desktop. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, just comment below or find the link to our official documentation site in description. Thank you for watching.